Okay guys, our episode today, like I said to you earlier, I'm gonna cook a beef lasagna. Okay, so now the pan is already heated. Then I'm gonna pour out the sunflower oil, just a little bit, because this pan is already a non-stick pan actually. So okay, just a little bit oil. Then okay, then our garlic. Garlic. And then onions. Okay, now guys, our onions is a little bit caramelized look now. So I'm gonna put my okay guys, let's put our creamy tomato. And I let this to steamer on its own. So I let simmer until it's all settled, the sauce in the beef mince. So now guys, here's how to make easy beef lasagna. Okay, ayan na siya. And then, okay, and next is our white sauce. Okay guys, when we put this lasagna, okay, we need to put it nicely. We don't need to put we don't need to do that way guys, because otherwise it will cook here, but this on the bottom it will not cook. So it's better do it that way. So make it sure our lasagna is, this one is cooked properly. Okay, so I'm just gonna break a little bit in here. So we try to put a little bit this side, so make it sure that not overlap each other. So okay, so do it that way so your lasagna will cook properly. Okay, and then repeat again. There you go. Do it nicely like this, and then put another white sauce. Just gently fill the gap a little bit. Okay, and then another white sauce. IGC Quest, learning how to cook beef lasagna. Thank you for watching guys, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting each other. Okay guys, it's another pattern of our pasta. Oh, not lasagna, but lasagna shape. Okay. Okay. There you go. Just enough to like that. Okay. So okay guys, ayan na siya. That's it. Lagyan na natin ng sauce. More sauce. Okay guys, this is the last layer. Okay, I'm just making sure I fill up the gap. Just spread it nicely to fill up the gap. Okay, Okay, we need to put one more pasta. Okay. Ayan na siya, guys. Wow. It suit this time. It fit this time. And then we could fill up the gap in there. There you go. Just fill up the gap. That's it. Okay. And then now, guys, okay, now guys, our last topping, say cheese, smile, say cheese, sprinkle the cheese, enjoy cooking. At the same time, enjoy watching, learning how to cook with me. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I will subscribe you back as well. Let's support each other. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Beautiful people. Stay kind, love each other. Thank you. Okay guys, I preheated my oven for 200 degrees. So I will cook this for 1 hour. And 170 heated fan. There you go guys. It's there. So we just wait for 1 hour. See you later. Stay tuned. Okay guys, here's my cooked beef lasagna. Okay, let's gonna try. I'm hungry, so let's gonna try, shall we? I'm gonna get this. Guys, there's my lasagna. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Easy to follow the recipes. Just watch my video and follow the steps by step, one at a time. So okay, thank you for watching and happy eating. Thank you for watching. Bye.